Yeah, let's see how this 5-minute closes. I like the market cipher is giving us a cross, which is nice. It's giving us a top symbol, which is showing highly oversold, or overbought, I'm sorry. And we're above yesterday's daily high, so if we had a nice engulfing candle, this would be nice, but let's see how it closes. If it closes like a doji, or green, I'm getting a coffee. Don't need that. Okay, I'll be right back. That's a doji. We ain't getting into that. My bet is still down, but I'm not taking a trade yet. My bet will be able to push down a bit. Be right back. My mic wasn't turned on. That's okay, it wasn't important. Well, I'm not seeing anything this is reacting to, so it's not relevant. Darn, I should have gone with my gut. I would have had my 1-to-1 already done. That's all good. Maybe it'll come up and we'll get a set of tweezers or double top. Okay, I'm going to do some testing. Which one's that? F1. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. Well, let's go back to the... Oh, yeah. Okay. I started tracking. Yesterday's, just because we're waiting for a setup. Yesterday's daily high and low, making that your bias. If it's above, go short. If it's below or at, go long. And it's like lining up really nice. So, and we missed one this morning. I mean, I didn't like the bottom wick, so I didn't go short, but it still played out in our favor. All right, let's do a little testing here. But just make sure there's no... Yeah, no, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. So... Oh, you piece of crap. So... 20... So that's the 19th. I forgot the date before I left. So that's the 19th. And we had a success. The first engulfing candle, rock on. This is the 20th. Where's the move there? First engulf there. Yep. I understand. So this should be the 21st. What play was I counting there? I'm not sure. Maybe I counted the pre-market one. Nothing else. That would have been a loss. All right. So just I'm backtesting currently, but if like I'm hoping for another push up to give me a short opportunity. I missed my first call out, and it's all good. And we're tracking a killer concept here right now on backtesting. It is awesome. Okay. Oh yeah, now I gotta play this through. I wonder how fast this would go. Oh, this would take forever. Well, it's not that long. Okay. Oh, you know what? I'm not really... Like, I guess I could do this as if it was live, but it's more just observing, but that's okay. So we're looking for a long opportunity. I need an engulf or some crazy reaction off of it, but that's usually when it's a fresh reaction, so I'm going to need a pullback on this. Oh, yep. So we got to count this as a taking this trade. Okay, so we're going to go long and see what happens. So that's a loser. It probably went about 80% of the way. Okay. It was an EEG. No. Not that. Oh, actually it was. That's crazy. Yeah, so I'm just trying to take note if it's best to do it when it's a fresh reaction. See, like, price already had a nice big move. So it's kind of like the first move when it's lower. So I'm just going to say that, like, not a fresh move. So maybe this is how I can develop what an A setup looks like for me. Oh no, this will take too long. I'll let this one play out, but it's quicker to use the calendar tool. Okay, so same thing, that's a long. Okay, we've dominated the previous candle. We're way below yesterday's daily low. We have permission to go long. But these are hitting on pre-market, so I have to show up slightly early. Was that one? One of them was 625. Doesn't matter. Yeah, but I'd like to see how I still like to see how the rest plays out, just because we're here anyways. Let's observe if there's anything else we saw. Let's go back to live for 1 sec. What's going on live candles here? Looking for a short. So. Yeah, I mean, all I can picture is 1 or 2 more candles up. Give me a nice engulf reaction, whatever. That'd be sick. Okay, let's go back. I can still monitor live price action right here. Cool, so what else did we see this day? Not freaking much. I mean, you know I like wicks. So, if someone was that patient to wait all the way till there, that's sick. And then you go long. Cool. Let's use this calendar tool. So, we're going to Friday, May 23rd. So, we're going to go to the 26th. Now, I'm actually going to go past because I actually want to see it play out. Well, yeah, let's do it organically. Let's do it organically. Okay, so where's yesterday's high and low? Okay, we're short biased. See, yesterday's daily low, daily high. Okay. Oh, we're getting a reaction here, but it's a brand new candle, so it's got 4 minutes to close. It's early. Okay, let's click through here a couple times. We're looking for a short. Okay. Nice engulfing candle. That's an engulfing candle in my book, so we're going to take this short. So first I commit to it, and then I'll record the result. Or if you were just starting out, you could do this, but I can see it visually. Unless it's close, I'll pull up the tool and see what happens. It's like it's magic. It's like it's freaking magic. EG fresh. Okay, we gotta pull up some so you know what this started with? I did some crappy back testing over here, okay? Like, it's not crappy, you're just gathering information. I was gathering what's not working just for Just a little bit of data, okay? Then I was like, what if I did the same thing, but I only took trades in the bias of yesterday's daily high and low? Okay, what is this? So May 6th to 20th, you'd be break even, or the other strategy, you'd be down 100. May 6th to 20th, you're up 6%. It could be a coincidence, like, or just a fluke. I don't know. I don't think so. This is sick. This deserves its own, like, I might give it its own, like, tab here. But I like seeing stuff like this too. Whatever, we'll just keep going. Doesn't matter. What I will do. So this is column G. Okay, so G. No, I'm gonna give it its own column. Let's do this. So here's all we have. We're gonna copy all of this, and I'm gonna give it its own tab. Very simple. Duplicate. Getting a lot of backtesting tabs here. Daily high low. Oh my gosh. My brain doesn't work this early. Okay, so, and then what we're gonna do, let's just zoom this out so I can see a little more stuff going on here. Delete all of this. It's good data, but I already have it. Shift up. I mean, I'll just keep all these, it's fine, but let's paste. Okay, so nothing going on live yet. Let's just click back here for a sec. No, I'm not supposed to trade in 1 minute anyways. Yeah, so probably a push up here or here or something. Or I missed the move, I don't know. We'll see. Nothing going on yet, okay. So we might as well collect some backtesting data. Okay, so all I want to do, yeah, okay, it's already set up. So that's linked to column C. Perfect. And this, okay, let's do this. Hold on a minute. This is my first one right now. Is this linked to column C? Date range. Let's see if this collects. Okay, there we go. And we'll rename this. It's called High-Low Plays. Okay. Because this is powerful stuff, man. Let's just, we don't need all this right now. Let's keep this simple. Simple, simple, simple. Honestly, we don't need this. This is if you when I start tracking multiple plays on the same dates, but for now I just want to see how this is performing. Okay, so this is tallying up my gain from my plays. This is the chart. This is very helpful. It's a 78% win rate currently. That will even out on a losing streak. Okay, just because I'm anal about this, I also want to change. That's supposed to be there. That's supposed to be there. Okay. We're just cleaning things up a little bit. I guess we can delete that one. Yeah, that's okay. And this is just the date. And sometimes, if you want to be really crazy, I'll explain what it is. So I'll just say must be a EG or fresh reaction or tweezer, something. It's just notes. Oh, yeah, we're not going to track that right now. That's too much. This is if I want to add a link. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. The only thing that bugs me is this column shouldn't have a. That's got to take away the oh my gosh, Google Drive. This column shouldn't have any color linked to it. Yeah, this should be not there. Okay, looks like we're getting more set up for a short opportunity if we can get a reaction. Give me a nice top wick, double top. That'd be great. Okay, guys, we're dialed in. Oh, this is for frick's sakes, man. I told the conditional formatting to turn off. It is greater than 1, no, greater than 0, whatever. It's green. Add another one. If it's less than, oh, for frick's sakes, what's happening? No. It doesn't matter. Damn it, how do I get rid of this? Okay, less than. My brain can't think right now. Too harsh. Okay, we are set up. This means there was no trade. I guess. I don't know what that is. You don't need that. Okay. Okay, guys, something's setting up here. I hope. I like this top wick, but we're not getting in on a green candle like that. So I'd be down if we got a really nice red candle. We will see. We've got 3 minutes for this candle to play out. We still got some time. I can see it right here. Okay, so this is looking pretty freaking sick so far. May 26th, eh? We took a trade there, and let's just watch it play out a little bit and see what else took place. Wow. Okay, so look at that. Like, is this a coincidence? Just beautifully pushes off. Now, I wouldn't normally go long off this, but that's worth taking a look at. That's cool. All right, next day. 26. Backtesting data is so powerful for me. It's so powerful. Like, I need it. It gives me confidence in the market, or it tells me what not to trade. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. Okay, we might not have a play here, eh? Might be waiting for maybe this level would be nice. We broke a low, come back up, grab it. That'd be sweet. Okay, let's focus. Let's focus. Okay, so look at that. I have to record that. That's so good. I'm gonna put EG plus 4 wicks. I'm gonna give us some room here. Yeah, I want to give us some space. 620 though. And there's another one here I'm just gonna put that was 625. But this is worth noting. Like, I'll change my alarm then. If I need to be getting up earlier, that's all good. It's not. It's just before when I'd normally. I'd be on my pre-walk or whatever. Crazy. Yeah, see there, that was the move. Like, that was it. If you waited till now, you got kind of a set of tweezers. There's your first EG, but it's got an ugly bottom wick. Yeah, see, I don't want to be in that. This one would have given you something, right? Comes up, you're waiting. Finally, you get this nice double wicks up there. And you could have got your 1-to-1. If you did your stop here, it would have been tight, but you still get it. What's happening live? Oh, let's get ready. This could be something if it's red. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, friends. Okay, just let you know my thought process. Like, I like these two top wicks are great. I just kind of have a rule in my head. I don't take them on a green candle. I won't take a short on a green candle. And the reverse. I won't go long on a red candle. So I'm not gonna be shocked if this pushes down. But like you give me another green candle there, or a red one. Sorry, with the top wick. Frick, let's go. If that closed red, I'd be in right now. So on the 1 minute, we're getting a cross, which is the wave trend, the market cipher wave trend, but it has an ugly bottom wick. Before it got a 1-to-1 in the 1 minute. Cool. Okay, so we got 3 minutes or so. 3 minutes and a bit. We'll come back. It's hard to backtest when we're like close to a signal here. Okay, next day. May 27th. No. Yeah, 28th. Oh, I didn't know where we are. Okay, we're looking for a short. So at one point, I was literally testing what happens when the color changes for the first time. So even this could give a push down, but the edge wasn't strong enough. There is an edge there, but it's not strong enough. So it could push down, but yeah. So that would be the win on my other back testing. But I did that somewhere. Reaction to previous day high and low. This file here, just simply like a color change gave me 58%. It's just not high enough, right? It's good sometimes. Still good. But I specifically wanted to track, this is the purpose of this testing, an engulfing candle or like a super clear reaction. Yes, we may not get it today. We're not getting any way down here, right? We're long gone. Okay, so we would have missed this one, but yeah. What's going on live here? We got 2 minutes. Oh, we're lining up for an engulfing candle here. Let's focus up here and just make sure we can catch this. If it gives it to us, if it grants us the entry. Well, this song's too slow. It's fine. Alright, man, last 1 minute of play. A minute of play here. Don't need those right now. I used to try to like gamble the idea that I'll try to get in early, but like it's a better habit to just religiously say I wait for the candle to close, because you're trying to get a better entry. It's 100% guessing that you don't think it can pull back, right? So I'm gonna wait for the close. I'd love actually a pullback, but again, then you're just gambling that you think it's gonna pull back. You don't know it's gonna pull back. Okay, 61. 61. Out of there. Here's the secret sauce. Shut her down. That's it. Don't look at it anymore. This one. So whether this wins or loses, I'm going to experience that information later today. Like, I'm going to be literally working my day job. It's a hack that works really, really well for this guy. I highly recommend it. If someone's not profitable and watching this, highly recommend. Commit to closing your trading platform and not watching the trade. If you've already watched the lose play out, it's too late. It's still good to shut her down, but that takes discipline, and I'm trying to find a way to actually not be around for that part of trading where you have to experience the loss and self-regulate the human emotions and the temptation to do something silly on the charts, let's say. If I can't do it with a $6,000 prop firm account, like, I want to be able to do this with $1 million of prop capital one day. That's where the real money is. Big prop firm capital. If you worked yourself up to, okay, so $1 million of prop firm capital would cost you $5,000. Like, think about that. It's about $1,000 for every 200K. If you could generate 2%, man, 2%'s nothing in trading. 2% a month, that's $20,000 a month. Okay, you only get 80% of that. That's 16,000. Is that right? 80% of 10 would be 8 grand. So so 16 grand a month is your take home on a $5,000 investment. Oh man, but okay, that sounds cool, but if you can't, you have to be perfect, not in execution, but perfect in not reacting. You have to turn yourself into a robot a little bit. So anyways, this is sick so far, and I don't like this feeling because I know it's not gonna last. I know this is gonna even out soon. Too bad we didn't have a better. I don't want to miss these trades on the back testing. Okay, so that's the 28th. We missed it. 29th. Okay, we're kind of in no man's land here. We're approaching. Okay, so if you're bending rules, you could say we can go long as we're closer to it, but no, I'd really like to get to the point of this testing is to test here. Okay, now if I get a good engulfing candle or a strong reaction, okay, so you can see it holding on to this area, but I need a trigger candle that justifies me getting in. Oh, it's coming. I can feel it. Oh, how badly would I want to get in if I was waiting this long? I mean, I got 3 wicks going on, but the point of this data is to see I need a better looking candle. Come on, give me an engulfing candle or a clear reaction off this. No. Okay, interesting. So we don't get the engulf and it saves us a loss. Okay, but you get a John Wick. I do want to take note of this, man. That's a gnarly John Wick candle. I'm doing it. This is the point of the testing. Killer. John Wick. 9 a.m. But that's late, man. I don't trade at 9 a.m. That's the only downside to recording this one. Wow. Was there even tweezers? No, man. No, there was no signal. Cool. What time is it? 10 more minutes here, max. Wait, it's the 29th of May. Let's just see if we can finish off May. Okay, last day of May. We'll just do this and then wrap it up. Oh, just flying through here. Okay, so we're in no man's land. This will happen sometimes where it's just always in the middle and there's no trade until we're close to one of these. But we can't see if something else plays out. Not on the testing, but just for fun. Yeah, so these are days we just don't. I mean, you got a nice engulfing candle here, but again, you're not at, for the purpose of this testing. We got a nice engulf here, but we're not close enough to the level. But it did push off of this level, so would I bend the rules that day? I don't know. And it's really late in the day, but okay, so what I'm gonna do is on the testing, I'm just gonna throw down the next date, which would be, so May 30th, it'd be June 2nd. Wow, can you imagine If you, oh my gosh, if you, oh dude, Google Sheets sucks for that. If you religiously traded that month of May, I did not cherry pick this month. It was the furthest back month in TradingView. For that month, it had an 81% win rate. $1,000, that's on a $10,000 account. If that was a 200K account, you would have made, why am I struggling with this? That represents 10%, so 20 grand. You would have made 20 grand. If you had a $200,000 prop firm account past 20 grand in the month of May, how much did that account cost you? $1,000. If you get to your payout, they refund the $1,000. And you just made 20K in the month of May. You just made more profit. You made enough profit where you could risk opening up 20 more. But you wouldn't do that all at once, but you can blow 19 more of these 200K prop firms and you're still profitable. If this doesn't make sense to someone, just comment, ask, like, that's what this is. Now, some of them were pre-market, one of them was 9 a.m. So that's, like, realistically, I can't take this with my day job. Realistically, I just can't. It's too late in the day, but there's a cool edge here that I'm going to keep exploring. And hopefully it doesn't like fizzle. It can fizzle where some bad months just take it down. But yeah, man, this is fun. Okay. Whoever you are, viewer one, thanks for joining. And safe trading. And we'll find out later in the day. Well, you might already know if my trade won or not. But I'm not gonna.